Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me again. I'm going to be bombarding you with videos today, but I wanted to quickly do a try on of this Colour Chameleon set, which is a new release coming out for Christmas. Now I say it's a new release, but in fact this Colour Chameleon has been released before, but this one is new. But the only way you can get this one is to buy it in this set. She ain't stupid, Charlotte Tilbury. Now, I'm going to put the price up there, and so you can see a lovely little Christmas gift. And what I love about Colour Chameleons is that they're really versatile. I don't think she's released enough of them recently because they're just so good. You can either scribble them on and do a complete look with them, or you can use them as a base. They're really good at using for a base. They just make your eyeshadow look more vibrant. So I'm actually going to do a very quick scribble so that you can see what this set looks like on my eyes and decide for yourself whether or not it's something you want to buy. Okay, so let's do this. So this is a really easy look to do. So you just literally scribble on the lighter shade and put it on the entire mobile lid. Now I've put some concealer, as you can probably see, on my eyelids, but you've got plenty of working time with these before they dry down. Now I love this Colour Chameleon because it's just a really lovely rose goldy kind of colour. And I was so excited. This is the reason last year that I got the advent calendar, because it was exclusive for a while to the advent calendar and then was so popular that they started to sell it separately. Right, so that is the original Pillow Talk Colour Chameleon. And now I'm going to go in with the darker one. Now this looks quite dark and it is quite pigmented, so I'm going to go easy and build it up if need be. So I'm just literally going to scribble a line into the socket like that and then blend it in. But as you can see, once you blend it in as you go, it doesn't look quite as intimidating as the swatch, which the swatch looks very brown. I like that. That is so easy. This may get promoted to my car makeup. Because that is a really simple but effective look. And I'm going to put some below. Now, as I said in my last video, that this shade of the Smokey pencil is, I would say, pretty much the same as the Pillow Talk eyeliner. So if you get this Colour Chameleon and you haven't got the Rock and Coal in Pillow Talk, I don't think you need both. I would definitely, if I was prioritising, I would get the Colour Chameleon. The only thing is, with the Colour Chameleon, is that you cannot put it in your waterline, but you can put it on top like this, and you can put it underneath, just not in your waterline. If you want to put it in your waterline, then you will need to go for the Rock and Coal. It's something to do with the formula. It's not safe to put Colour Chameleons in the waterline. So there you have it, a really simple look using the Colour Chameleon Eye Enhancing Beauty Secret Kit. Now, the other thing that I got with this, and I'm going to do this at the same time because I think that this will go beautifully with it, is the new limited edition kissing formula, which is called Rosy Seduction. Now, I'm going to use Walk of Shame lip liner with this because I think this will go very well with this new lipstick. I'm just going to come off so I can show you a swatch of this lipstick. And I will also put the Walk of Shame lip liner next to it so that you can see whether or not you think this is matches. Do you know what? That swatch looks so similar of the Walk of No Shame lip liner. Sorry, it's Walk of No Shame now, isn't it? That I have a feeling that this Rosy Seduction is just the kissing formula of Walk of No Shame. And I am going to do a comparison swatch of the lipstick in Walk of No Shame and Rosy Seduction, because looking at the lip liner, I think they're virtually identical. But anyway, let's go on, and I'm going to put the lipstick on first so that I don't mix the two up, and then I'll put the lip liner on last. Bobbi Brown always does it that way round, by the way. Here is the lipstick. Okay, now that it's on my lips, I will revert back to what I said in my last video, which is, although on my arm, it looks the same as Walk of No Shame, it's actually coming out lighter. And I said my very first impression when I tried this on my last video and did the swatch was, it's a lighter version of Walk of No Shame. But that's fine to put the lip liner on. Let's put this around. Now, don't forget, if you're fairer than me, and I know that some of the Ali Pallies were wondering about whether to purchase this is the palest part of my skin, the back of my arm, which is why I swatch it there. If you can see, that actually looks a lot darker on the swatch. So if you've got paler skin than me, this is going to come out darker. This looks like quite a fairer version of Walk of No Shame. But if you're fairer than me, it's going to look more like Walk of No Shame, but a kissing version of. So if you like Walk of No Shame and you're fair and you prefer the kissing formula, then Rosy Seduction is one that you're going to want to get. If you've got Walk of No Shame and you're fair, then you might want to think twice about getting this, because unless you really love the kissing formula, it's going to look quite similar. Look, Walk of No Shame lip liner and Rosy Seduction lipstick. So it's something to think about. But if you're my colour, you can see it comes out fairer than Walk of No Shame. All right? And tomorrow, what I think I will do is I'll get my Walk of No Shame lipstick and I'll do the comparison on my live. So join me tomorrow for that. But I think this look, actually, as a set for Christmas, if you're out and about and you're in a hurry and you get this set and you get this new lipstick, I've got no mascara on. I've put a little bit of foundation, a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of concealer, and I've done my brows. I've got no mascara on. And I think you can see that this is, on its own, quite a decent look. So I'm very happy with this. And I'm very happy with this, even though I've got loads of lipsticks and I was umming and ahhing about whether I need another one. I think this is a lovely lipstick. I love the kissing formula. And I always said I wish Charlotte brought out more. The only thing I'll say is it's getting up to £30 now, £29 for her lipsticks. But the packaging and the fact that it's got this lovely diamante thing, and the fact that it's refillable, I'll kind of forgive her. But let's keep an eye on those prices, Charlotte Tilbury. We're all struggling at the moment. We know companies are, but don't pass on all the struggles to your customers, or you may just put them off. Okay, and I will be back next week to tell you what my can live without CLW rating is on all these products. But I have a feeling that this one is going to be one that I come back to a lot. Okay, see you all soon. Take care. Join me very soon when I'm going to be looking at these eyeshadows, which are the new Pop Shots.